Kiara Advani, Avan, did you know, has replaced Katrina Kaif?
Yes, in one of those, the clip.
Yeah. Well, we're not really talking about any movie here, but Kiara apparently, it seems, is the new brand ambassador for Slice, for which Katrina reigned for almost about 15, 16 years. And my colleague Ankita caught up with Kiara and asked her about her investment mantra and where does she park her money.
Kiara, but you come from a business family.
Yeah.
So are you firstly a closet entrepreneur? Are there any entrepreneurial aspirations that you have? Many contemporary of yours have invested into businesses. They have their own lines. So any plans of starting up something of your own?
Absolutely. I mean, like you said, I do come from a business family, and a ritual at home is my dad and I having breakfast together. And when we're having breakfast together, he loves to talk about all the startups, all these ideas.
Right.
So I've grown up, listening to that. I've grown up, having these conversations with my father. So I definitely do see myself venturing into that space, hopefully soon.
Right. So will you tell us about the plans? Will you let us on with the plans?
I'd like for it to happen and then you all know. Right now they're still in a more, planning stage.
Okay. So, but
Yeah.
what is your investment mantra? Are you a safe investor? Do you like investing in equities, real estate, or are you a bit of a risk taker and would dabble in cryptocurrencies as well?
Oh gosh. I do consult my father for a lot of my
Of
all
course.
my financial advice. Actually, I take from my father. He's my backbone there. I think a mix of both, but I think I'm more of a safe person.
So who's a better investor or who's the spendthrift between you and Siddharth?
Oh, me and Sid. I think Sid is.
He's a better investor.
I would give it to him. And no, I think he's more of the spendthrift.
So you are the better investor.
He feels the more you spend, the more you get, the more you earn.
Oh, all
Which is
right.
correct. I think that's a very good mantra, actually.
Okay, and who's a better cook?
We're both foodies. We're better at eating than cooking.
All right. So, okay, so one financial advice that you wish someone gave to you, in your early 20s.
There's so much financial advice that I have received in my early 20s from my father, and I wish I took it more
Right.
seriously in my early 20s. But in fact, my father always tells me, he says, you have to take risks. So while I told you that I'm
Right, you're a
more
safe investor.
Yeah, I like to play it safe, but he's constantly telling me it's so important to take these risks. Not crazy risks,
Right.
but definitely take risks, because that's how
That's how
the
higher the
magic
returns.
happens. Exactly. So
Okay.
yeah.
So, okay.